Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and review of this Bestong underdoor draft stopper. As you can see, this is the box it arrives in. This works for doors and windows from 24 to 36 inches wide, so you can basically cut it to size. And this keeps bugs, this keeps snow, this keeps drafts, noise, dust, and outside light away from your room. So you can save energy, it can help you sleep better. There's lots of different benefits to this. As we open this up, it's pretty simple. You just get the actual draft stopper itself. I already cut this to length. My door is about 30 inches wide, so I just had to snip these couple pieces off. It's like a pool noodle inside. You just need a measuring tape, scissors, and the actual draft stopper. And what you'll see on this draft stopper is these two long Velcro strips, and you'll see these Velcro that kind of folds over right here, and this is where you can go ahead and pull the pool noodle out and put it back in after you're done cutting it. So you want to close it up when you're done. It comes with this little loop here as shown, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like underneath the door. So here's the door I am putting this draft stopper under. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the door and then slide this through underneath so that there's a foam part on either side. As you can see, it fits into the door quite nicely. As you can see when you open it, there's no air that's getting underneath that door, which is very nice. And the door still shuts very easily.